What's up guys, Phil here from Fuel Garage, and I know we said we were going to do an Apache on the next video, but oh my sack, it's a freaking Morgan. So before we build the Morgan exhaust, I would just like to say that we have finally reached 100 subscribers. Bird fingers. So thank you very much guys, it means a lot to us, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and like this video, please like the video. Let's get cracking. So this car's already got an exhaust on, but I'm going to show you the big problem. Check this out. It's touching on the tire. It's also way too close to the drum brake, so it ends up cooking the brake fluid. And yeah, check at that. It's also got some cancer. But not to worry, we're gonna fix this. So pretty. Once again, thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to join us on the next video where I'll be building an exhaust on this Apache over here. So see you on the next video. I'm gonna run past the camera like a dumb lunatic. Yeah, it is a big thing. Relax, okay?